Cameron and myself in the pavilion, and we'll show you why some of the leading US and European banks are increasingly deploying our platform and how it could potentially serve your needs. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I look forward to speaking with you in the pavilion.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Again, that is SaaS Markets. A quick note, I mentioned the information that we've got on the companies that you'll see here today in the booklet, which you have in your packet. We also have quite a large blog at finovate.com. That's where you can stay up to date on all the companies that you'll see here on stage and all of the alumni who've ever been to one of our shows. If you're curious to see what happens to companies after they've been at Finovate, what types of customers they get, what types of funding they get, please do check that out. We also obviously have information on upcoming shows that we post there as well. So great. Well, up next we have Pixeliris. Please welcome Emmanuel Ruiz and Brian Roten. Take it away.
Good morning. I'm Brian, Senior Product Manager at Pixeliris. I'm here today with Emmanuel Ruiz, our CEO and Head of Innovation. We both are very proud to be here only a few weeks after the official launch of our new technology, CopSonic. For 15 years, we have been developing audio broadcasting systems, and our research led us to a unique sonic communication protocol. We immediately saw the potential of this technology, and we started integrating it into a mobile payment system, and that's how CopSonic came about. Now, CopSonic has the potential to be a real game changer. Indeed, all current technologies, including NFC, are limited to the reach of terminals equipped with add-ons. CopSonic, however, is a true universal communication system. It's available for every phone, and it turns it into a mobile payment device. It's truly contactless, and it is entirely secure, thanks to both a one-time password process and to strong authentication. We will show you how our technology works with a smartphone, with a smartwatch, and with an older phone like a Nokia Express. So let's set up a real user example. So I like shopping in the streets of Singapore, and I just flashed on the t-shirt. So I pick it up and I get to the counter to pay. The salesperson will launch the retailer payment application on his tablet. He will press pay, enter the amount, $25 for the shirt, and select the kind of payment method I'm going to use. Now I will be entering my phone number and the PIN code. And this is where our technology is going to be really revolutionary. The password, once I press enter, is going to be exchanged through acoustic waves instead of magnetic waves as for NFC. So to confirm the payment, I just have to answer the call. This means, ladies and gentlemen, that our technology is compatible with all phones existing on the market today, from the oldest Nokia to the newest iPhone, including all of those phones that are not compatible with add-ons, applications, or NFC. So let's set up a second example using one of those good old basic phones. In this case, the Nokia Express Music, which is one of the most widely used phones in Africa today. We will also be using an electronic payment terminal instead of a tablet, just to show you that our technology is also working with these kind of devices. So let's say I live in Lagos, Nigeria, and I want to see some friends, but I need petrol for my car, as usual. So I drop by the petrol station, I fuel up, and I get to the counter to pay. Now, just like with the tablet, the salesperson is going to press pay and he will enter the amount. And because my phone doesn't support any applications, I will enter my mobile number and my PIN code on the terminal. Once again, both terminals will start exchanging the secure data through a phone call. As soon as the call comes in, I just answer the call to confirm the payment. This payment and this transaction will be validated if I'm close enough to the terminal. So as you can see, thanks to our unique sonic communication protocol, CopSonic is a truly universal technology working with all mobile phones, and it is most easy to use for both salespeople and end users. However, having achieved this is not enough. We also need to remain costs and changes minimal for all retailers around the world. That's why, to maximize compatibility, we've decided to open our SDK. This is enabling easy and cost-wise integration for all retailers on their electronic payment terminals or on point of sales merchants. So let's run through the different possibilities. First of all, CopSonic is available for every touchscreen tablet existing on the market today. Current prices for these tablets start about 40 USD. Secondly, our technology works with all recent electronic payment terminals. The one we just used costs about $150. Thirdly, our teams are available and willing to help any manufacturer build compatibility updates for all their devices. And finally, last but not least, we also propose online transactions thanks to our e-commerce module. So, as you can see, CopSonic is opening a new path for mobile payment. It's working with all phones, 100% of the mobile phones. It's easy and quick to install for all retailers around the world. And it is totally secure thanks to the one-time password process and strong authentication. Now we know CopSonic is going to be the new standard for universal contactless payment for mobile devices. With us, banks, acquirers and business operators can provide to their customers an easy universal mobile payment solution. And for the first time in history, this solution would be available for the 6.8 billion of phones existing on the world today. We're currently looking for partners to help us develop and make CopSonic grow as this new standard. Our SDK is available for free on our website. It is compatible with any major platform. But keep in mind, CopSonic is only the first of the services proposed with our new technology. It's also, among others, possible to provide passwordless authentication. So please visit us at our booth and we will run you through complete demos of our solutions and we will answer to all of your questions. Thank you very much for your attention.
Excellent, thank you very much. Again, that is Pixel Iris, making me feel like kind of a sucker because my watch is just a watch. I don't know if you guys have seen the commercials. We have them in the States where there's a series of, spies, James Bond style montage of people answering their watch. And I saw that and I was like, I don't know that I really need that gimmick, but having seen it in person now, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to have to go out and buy one. All right, coming up next, we have Yodlee. Please welcome to the stage Caddy Gibson and Melanie Flanagan. Go ahead and take it away.